Want to install and activate Elementor and Elementor Pro on your WordPress site? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, so you can start building stunning websites with ease. If this helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. To get started, log into the backend of your WordPress site. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins and then hit Add New. In the search bar at the top right, type in Elementor. Once the search results appear, look for the plugin titled Elementor Website Builder. Click on Install Now. And once the installation finishes, hit Activate. Elementor is now ready to use. You'll now see an Edit with Elementor button whenever you create or edit a page on your site. Scroll back to the Plugins page, and you'll notice a new link that says Get Elementor Pro right next to the Elementor plugin. Click on it. This will take you straight to the pricing page on Elementor's official site. Pick a plan that suits your needs and go ahead with the purchase. Once your purchase is complete, log into your Elementor account and head to the Websites section. From there, download the Elementor Pro ZIP file to your computer. Now, return to your WordPress dashboard. Again, go to Plugins, click on Add New Plugin, and this time, choose Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File, select the Elementor Pro zip you just downloaded, and then click Install Now. Once installed, hit the Activate Plugin button. You'll be redirected to your plugin list, where you'll now see a purple Connect and Activate button next to Elementor Pro. Click on that, and it'll take you to the official Elementor site again. On that page, make sure to uncheck the box asking if you want to become a super contributor. It's optional. Then, click the Connect and Activate button one more time. You'll be brought back to your WordPress dashboard directly to the license settings page. If everything went well, the status will now show as Active, which means Elementor Pro is fully activated and ready to go. That's it. You're all set to start working with it. So if you are ready to design like a pro, Elementor is my go-to tool, and you can try it out using the affiliate link below to get started right away. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.